Students, let's begin to solve unit to estimation exercise 2A. Okay, let's solve this exercise. So we have first round off each of the following to nearest 10. So what we need to do? We should round off these given numbers to nearest 10. Do you know the 2 digits? It means here ones and the tens place. So here these 2 digits, these 2 digits, these two are in tens place. So as I have underlined here, even you can underline also, and so that you will understand. Now I have taken randomly some numbers from your exercise. I have not solved everything. Okay, so which I have not solved, I request you all should solve on your own. So let us begin writing the numbers to nearest 10. So we have here the first number 62. So what is the rule for rounding of nearest 10? Now the number is concentrating on the ones place. What is the number? The number is 2. So what we are telling nearest 10? If it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then if the number is less than 5 means what you should write in ones place? You should write 0. So all these numbers fall to 0. Okay? In nearest tens place, if it may be 4, it may be 3, it may be 2, or it may be 1. So if they say to round up to the nearest 10, what you should write? In ones place 0. So let us write in ones place 0 and tens place 6. Okay? So this is the way we write nearest 10. And if it is more than 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what we should do? If it is more than 5, all these digits go to 10. So 1 will come to tens place and 0 you should write in ones place. So remember 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 means 0 you should write. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means what you should write? 10. And add 1 to the tens place. Keep this in your mind. Next we have 265. So what is here? Which number is here? 5. 5 is more than, yes, it 5 or 5 more than. So what is the nearest number of 5? We can say 10 is the nearest number of 5. So in ones place put 0, add in 6 place 6 plus 1, that is 7. Okay, so 65 is nearest to 70. You understand what did I do? 5 is nearest to 10. So what did I do? I added 1 to 6, that became 7, and kept 0 in ones place. Our answer is 270. Next here, tens place. Now what is here? 5. In ones place we have 5. 5 is again more. Yes or no? Nearest to 10. So our answer will be 270. Okay? Next. Here you see what it is here? Ones place 8. And 8 is closest nearest to 10. Tens. So now what we should do? Add 1 here and keep 0 here. So we can write 3, 0, 1, 0. Did you understand? So now here 2 digits, children. Now what you should do? Here ones place you see 6 it is. If it is more than 5, what you should do? Add 1 here. That becomes other digits keep as it is. Okay. So did you follow? Rounding off to nearest 10. Okay, children, in your books here they have given 1. Okay. 8261. I have written 65 by mistake. So let us change here. Okay. Now this number is less than 5. So our answer should be 8206. So let us move for round of nearest 100. 100 means what you should do? Okay. You know the rule. You should concentrate on the which place? Now if the tens, okay, tens place. If this number is in the tens place, the number is less than 5. What you should do? You should put the 0 in what? In the, keep the 0 in the ones place. If the tens digit is less than 5, you should replace 0 in the ones and the tens place. Now concentrate here. Now this digit, number 4 is what? Less than 5. So follow this, okay? Number 4 is less than 5. Now what they have told, if it is less than 5, you should put 0 in tens and ones place. So this number is nearest to 700. Follow? Now come here. This is tens place. Now 6 is more than 5. 6 is more than 5 means what you should do? If the number is more than 5, you should add 1 to the hundreds place. Now here you should add 1. That is 2, 7. Okay? This is the way you write. So next one, let us see. 5432. So concentrate here. Now what it is? 3 is less than. When you see hundreds place, see tens place. Okay? When you do round up for hundreds place, you should concentrate on the tens place. When you round up to the tens place, you should concentrate on the ones place. Now here what you do? It is less. What you should do? If it is less what? Then you write the zeros. So now here again 3. Now what you should do? Okay, this is your answer. So please check your answer. Okay, so now we have round off to nearest 1000. When you do round off to nearest 1000, concentrate on which place? Hundreds place. Okay, now if hundreds place, you see what it is 4, it is less than 5. So when it is less than 5, what you should do? You should replace hundreds place, tens place and ones place by 0. So let us do it. Okay, you should know the rules, okay? Now again here, hundreds place. It is again less than 5. So keep other numbers as they are replaced by 0. Now here hundreds place. What it is? It is more than 5. What you will do if it is more than 5? Add 1 to the thousands place and write other number 0. Correct? 6 plus 1 is 7. Now hundreds place is 2. It is less than 5. So, okay. Did you follow? I think you have followed it very well. Round off to nearest places. Now we have the first one. There are more example children you saw on your own. So which are the required problems I have taken and to solve. Now 32,974 to nearest 10,000. Okay, now what you should do? Round off to 10,000. So when you say 10,000, which place you should say? Thousands place you should say. Thousand place which number? 2. So what you will understand here? 2 is less than 5. So what you should do? You keep other numbers as 0. Okay. Now what is the answer you got? The answer is 30,000. Now 578 to nearest 578 to nearest 100, not 1000 children, it is nearest 100. Okay, just write 100. Now, when in nearest 100, what you should do? Concentrate on the tens place. What you will see? Number is 7. The number is 7, more than 5. Add 1 here, that becomes 600. Understood? Other things are your homework. So now here, 5th main and 6th main solve as your homework. Next we have list all the numbers which can be rounded up to 30. Now, which are the numbers which can be rounded up to 30? Let us see. So the numbers which can be rounded up to 30 are, that will be more than 25. Because you should concentrate on the ones place that is more than 25. 26, 27, 28, okay? 29, 30, 31, okay? Concentrate here, 31, 32, 33, and 34. Are the numbers which can be rounded up to 30. Did you understand? Because these are more than 5. If these are more than 5, we say it is 30. And these are less than 5, so we say again 30. So the numbers which are rounded up to 30 are the this number. Number 8 is your homework. So write next one. Number 9 also is your homework. Okay. So simple sums I have given homework. You please solve them. Number 10. Write smallest and largest which are rounded up to 130. What you should do? The smallest number which is rounded up to 130 is what? The smallest number. So concentrate here. Smallest number which is rounded up to 30. Now let us see here. Okay. Now the smallest number is 125. Okay. Smallest number means in 5, so let us say it is 125. See, 100 and now 025. And the largest, this is the smallest number. So closest number, so 125, okay, the nearest number. Now 0 to 5 you say. Okay, 125 to 130 you say. So the closest number is, smallest number we can round it off to 130 is 125. Now the second one we should write the largest number. Okay, largest number, which is the largest number? Largest number. Okay, the largest number is 134. Which can be rounded up to 130. Did you follow? Because this tens place is 4 and it is closer to 0. And here we can say 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, it can be 26, 25. So all this fall to 0. So we can say the numbers 134 is the largest number, 125 is the smallest number. So in number 9, which can be smallest, children? I have given you homework. Just think which can be smallest. Number 90 is given. So which can be smallest? Closer to 90. 0 is closer to 5. So you 85. Yes or no? And then which can be the largest number in 90? 94. Because 95 falls to the next place. So 94 will be the largest number. So this is given as homework. If you have understood this, you can solve number 9. So I think you followed exercise 2A. So complete this exercise. Whatever homework I have given, solve it in your notebook. Okay, and see the answers you are writing correctly. Thank you.